Hey guys, Jules here, and I'm back with another vlog after the longest time. Today I'm going to go see the Dodgers versus the Blue Jays play here in Dodger Stadium in LA. But before I get into that side of the vlog, I just want to tell a little funny story regarding going to a baseball game. You can fast forward to the timestamp coming up if you don't want to hear the story. But honestly, every time I go to a baseball game, I do think about the situation that I had with my best friend out in Canada. Anyways, this story takes place in 2021. Me and my friend, we were hella geeking, and we knew that we needed to at least find our seats at the Rogers Center. This took place back in Toronto. In that state, you're stressed, you're confused. So finding your seats at a baseball stadium is going to be hella difficult. After some time, we ended up finding our doorway. You have to go through a certain entranceway. Once we got to the seating area, we said to each other, okay, as long as we find our seats, we're gonna be good. Let's just sit down, chill out, and just vibe and watch the baseball game. So we miraculously found our seats despite being in that state. It was hella confusing, but we found our seats. Once we sat down, we're like, okay, we're golden. Everything's gonna be great from this point out. Lo and behold, we were probably in the busiest area of this whole stadium that night. There were 3 foul balls that came to us. Not only did the foul balls come to us, but also people are crazy when they're trying to get those balls. They're like jumping on us, fighting other people to get that ball. It was the trippiest thing I've ever experienced to date at a baseball game, and that memory still lives rent-free in my head. Shout out to Jessica. Let's start this vlog off. I'm gonna head over and get a coffee before I head out to Midtown in LA, Dodger Stadium. I'm gonna get myself a Waymo today, treating myself, meeting up with my friends at Dodger Stadium, and we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Alright, catch you in a bit. The Blue Jays are doing well this year. I believe at the time of this recording, they're first place in the East Coast Division. East Division. East Coast? Eastern Division. Hopefully the Blue Jays get to the World Series this year. That'll be neat.
不知道是不是因为天气的关系，那天晚上我觉得他很亲切。
You fuckers! You fuckers! I had to walk so far. Alright. They made me chuck my Jay's styrofoam hand. What section are you?
What section are you close?
Section 39. Damn. Is this section 300? This is... Let's listen to the songs first. And then
let's just see it.
Yeah. some Dodgers dogs! Well, she is.
Is that like 10 here?
So Siraj, you got the nachos.
Yeah, I got the nachos helmet.
Helmet to a Dodger dog is a hot dog. Grace is getting the Dodger dog.
Ooh! Yay!
Hey! Grace! Toronto's losing, but it's okay. We'll get them next time.
But I'm happy because I won.
The Blue Jays are probably gonna lose, but it's okay.
So sad!
We'll get them next time. We'll get them next time. Look at that sunset.
Yay! So beautiful.
It's not a focus, but it's. Whoa! I should show the guy. Yeah, look at the moon.
Let me try.
I want to show the
My
guy.
camera.
Look at the moon.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Yeah, I saw it last night too.
Whoa!
B.
Bees way.
Yeah.
Beads.
Yeah. You got it.
Waymo.
Oh, yay!
You know, what are you gonna do, sir? It's fucking very busy street here. I hope you can make it.
Let's see how the algorithm's going.
I know. Come on, algorithm.
I hope it comes straight. It's not going like boom and then wow.
That's what happened earlier. It was trying to make a left. It just couldn't comprehend, and it dropped me off 2 blocks away. I need to complain actually, so I can get a credit or something. Beats way.
Oh yeah. Let's see.
Come on, Waymo. All right, I think it'll come.
You will? Oh yeah,
it's
no
pretty
cars
empty,
here.
pretty
Yeah,
empty.
we'll see.
Oh wait, hey, come on. Why are you waiting? Oh man.
Oh shit.
I hope it-
Yeah.
Oh, it's going left.
Come on. It's going left.
How's the algorithm? Ooh.
It's a tough one.
Hey, bro.
No way, we're giving our lives to
Come
them.
on, ChatGPT. Come on. You can do it.
It's so fucked up. It's like, what the fuck is going on?
Wow. Things are complicated now. Ooh.
No. It's funny for content, but look out, come here. We need you.
So many people. It's not gonna come.
It's hard. It's tough. Oh, should we watch
What do you think AI could work, Pacer?
there? I feel if we walk there, it might just keep going here anyways.
But like, if we keep going, does he still come here, or he will stay like come to where we are?
What do you guys think? Where is AI now?
So that was difficult. The fucking Waymo was mad busy. So many cars, but we had to cross the street and get into it illegally. And now it's having a hard time turning right. Fuck!
This is so fucked up.
Yeah, let's see how long it's gonna take. Focus on.
Yeah, let's go! I swear to God, sir. Don't fucking touch anything.
What are you doing?
Don't touch anything. Grace, the bodyguard over here.
Yeah.
Good I'm not in the front.
So bad.
Waymo's wearing a seatbelt. Safety first, Waymo!